The world of Snarf.
The world of Snarf.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. For those of you that are maybe new to the channel, these videos just update you guys on what's been going on in my portfolio. I'm starting to break them down by which platform I'm using. So I have Acorns, I have M1 Finance, I use Worthy for bonds. So I have a bunch of different portfolios going on, and I decided I would just show some updates on each individual portfolio as we go, instead of sort of putting them together into one big video. So again, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully that's something you're into and can get into. And if you're a subscriber, just come back, welcome back. So I haven't made videos in a while. About 2 or 3 weeks was my last video upload, so you guys are definitely due for an update. So this video, I'm going to be going over my Acorns portfolio, just showing you where it is at and where we're sort of standing. So let's go ahead and click in here, blah, 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 log in, warning, whatever, okay, log in, you can't see my information. Okay. So the past few weeks, the market hasn't really been doing anything spectacular. There have been some IPOs that have been going out. They haven't been doing too well. Uber was a total fail. The market's just been kind of, I don't know, just kind of weak in general. The president's been doing some stuff with China. There's tariffs, all the trade, blah, blah, blah. It just hasn't really led to a strong market. So let's see where we're standing right now. So invest in your future. It shows the total account value right now, $2,202.87. Spend smarter. So this is the spend card that I recently got through Acorns. So I have no money on that right now, and I don't really plan on adding any money to it yet until maybe I see some new, better features released with it. But the card itself is pretty cool. I just wish some of the features were a little more robust right now, but I'm willing to wait. I'm going to stick with Acorns for a while, and I'm sure they will release some cool features. Earn found money, so I have $33.95 in earn found money through Acorns. So let's dig in. So now when you go to the past screen, now that I have my spend card, it has this first screen here for the spend account. Which is kind of cool. It shows what deposits you've done in the last 30 days, how much you've actually spent last 30 days, and what you have available. But again, I don't have any funds here, so it's just pretty barren. I would like if when you go to this past page of Core was the default page, because I use that and I don't really use Spend, and I care about the information on Core more. But I'm sure people that use Spend a lot, this is probably useful for them. So anyway, let's click into the core. Let's just take a look at some of the stuff that has fallen in recently. So these numbers all have been changing and growing. Well, I shouldn't say growing, because now, because of the market, we're overall at a loss of almost $4. That's okay. So let's just break down some of these stats. Total invested. So this is the lifetime of the account. So I've had this account since I think 2013, no, maybe 2014, way back when Acorns first started. Gonna need a date check on that. Either way, I had like $400 in it, and then I pulled it all out, or $375. But this time I'm really sticking in for the long run. So if you'll look here, we actually now have $20 worth of referrals. So 4 people have used my Acorns referral link, which is really cool. Meaning they took time to maybe view my content, believe what I have to say about Acorns, and then went ahead and joined Acorns themselves. So that's pretty cool. That's what I'm happy about. 2 of them actually fell in the same week, which means 2 people actually did that in the same week, that's pretty awesome. That's $10 extra for me and $5 extra for each of them. So let's just go and see how the performance of the portfolio has been doing. These videos aren't really that special or unique in the sense that if you follow the same portfolio style that I do, which is aggressive, you're probably going to see the same exact trends that I am. Now, if you have a different allocation, you're not aggressive, maybe you're in conservative, whatnot, yours is definitely going to look a little bit different, but aggressive is how I like to play it, because I'm pretty young, and risk I can handle the risk right now. So today was kind of a day. We were down about $17, close to 0.8%. No big deal. If we look at the past month, which I don't think I've updated you guys in the past month, we can take a look at that. Down almost $96, which is about down 4% for the month. Again, like I said, this past month just really hasn't been good in the market. Not necessarily that hasn't been good, it just hasn't been a strong market. If we look at the 3-month, which my last video probably encompassed some of this, but the 3 months from today, if we look back, of course there's an upward trend because I'm always investing money, but overall I was down a little over $25 and down a little over 1% account value. No big deal there. If we go back to maybe 6 months, so the 6 month does look a little bit better. It is showing that for a 6 month range, the account value had gained almost $42 in value, which is getting close to 2%. So that looks great. But if we go out even further, I want to say all. Right. So if we go out even further, the total gains and losses, which includes, market valuation change and the $1 a month fee that they charge for being able to do all this, we are down $4. No big deal because that's $4 in the grand scheme of like the whole lifetime of the account. And this is money I haven't touched, and it's just going to sit here and grow and pay dividends. So I'm not happy with that. Plus, I know one market swing will definitely bring that back up into the positive. So maybe we can. So this is what I like to look at in my portfolio. I look at quantity view, and the reason I do this is it actually shows the amount of shares that I have in that specific fund or stock, which these are all funds because they're through Vanguard. So the large company stocks, I have 3.41 shares of that. If you click into it, you can see what fund that really is. So that is VOO. So that is how many shares I have of VOO. Then there's emerging market stocks, international large company stocks, small company stocks, and real estate stocks. So you can just see how the portfolio has invested it and how many full shares and then fractional shares you have of each, which fractional shares do pay dividends. So these little numbers after the decimal do count each quarter when dividends are being paid out. So there you have it, guys. This is where I am sitting so far on my Acorns account. I am putting in $5 each day, so $5 recurring, and my roundups are on. I want to say it is ×2 roundup, so it's a double multiplier on that as opposed to just the regular amount. And the hypothetical projection for my core account is $370,831 by the time I'm 64. Assuming I don't change my investing strategy, I stick with that $5 a day. I don't have any lump sums falling in, and the roundups stay on. I don't believe this takes into account any sort of found money that I may find or acquire within the next 40 years, and I also don't think it takes into account reinvesting dividends. So this is still a pretty nice chunk of cash. If this platform's still around and if I still have or need this money in the future. So there you have it, guys. That's what my Acorns is looking like. Nothing too crazy has happened. I haven't changed anything. I haven't put any lump sums in. So probably nothing too new for you guys there. I just wanted to show you how it is progressing along and how it is growing. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know how your portfolios are doing and maybe what you'd like to see me do with this one. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.